What's up, guys? Welcome to Sam Prince, and today we're going to be cleaning our heated bed or 3D printer.
Technologic, 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 technologic.
So first, all you need is some glass cleaner, anything like that works, and paper towels. You need paper towels and some type of scraper tool. Usually it comes with the printer. So first step is to spray down the area with your cleaning, your glass cleaner. And if you see purple stuff, that's your sticky or your glue stick in my case. So you're gonna let this dry for a little bit. Okay, so now that it's dried a bit, we're going to grab a paper towel and you're just gonna scrub it around. I don't put it all the way around, like out here. I just do the spot where the printer can print because there's no need for the other. So once you rub it in, again, you're gonna wait a bit. And now after you waited, you get your scraper tool and you're gonna scrape all of that gunk off. And it should look a lot cleaner. So once you do that, you're gonna want to grab some more paper towels, and then scrub all the excess stuff off to make it look a little prettier. Get that off. Now that you got that gunk off, what you're going to do now is you're going to spray it one more time, really lightly. And then you're going to get your paper towel one more time, and it's going to scrub it. Now that looks way nicer. And I'll put a before and after photo after the video. So while I was editing this, I just remembered that I forgot to take a before and after photo, and I don't have one. So, also sorry about the audio. It's from a GoPro because my camera is broken right now. So, yeah, I'll see you guys right back in the video. But, so that's how you clean your heated bed or glass bed or whatever bed you need. What I usually do after is I grab my glue stick, my sticky stuff that will make the print stick, and I usually just go lightly around with the glue stick. So then now, you're ready to print. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.